In this video, I will be showing you how to change the display name in Roblox mobile app. So let's get started. So this is going to be the display name and not the username. So to change the display name, just come inside Roblox. To the leftmost top, you will be having the three lines icon. Click it, and here we will be having settings. Click that, and in settings we are having here account info. Select it, and at the top I am having display name, and to the right I am having an edit icon also. So you can simply click on that, and as it clearly says here, your display name can be changed only once every 7 days. So just click on save, and as you can see, it says saved successfully. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.